In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Discord error checking for updates. Let's get started. First, open the Start menu, search for Task Manager and open it. In the search box at the top, type Discord. Then right-click on every Discord processes you find and select End Task. This will completely close Discord so you can start fresh. Next, you will need to change DNS settings as network issues are common cause of the error. So go ahead and search for Control Panel, launch it. Now head over to the option Network and Internet Sharing. Then go ahead and click on the option Change Adapter Settings. Now go ahead and double click on the network you are using. Go to Properties. Now here select Internet Protocol version 4 and go to Properties. Choose use the following DNS server addresses. Enter 8.8.8.8 as the preferred DNS server and 8.8.4.4 as the alternate DNS server. Click OK to save the changes and close the window. Next thing you want to do is go to Start menu, search for Discord. Now click on the option Open File Location. Once you're over here, once again right click on Discord option. Go to the option Open File Location. Once you're over here, right click on the exe file. Click on the option Properties. Now navigate to the Compatibility tab. Then check Run this program as administrator is enabled or not. In case it is not enabled, check in for it and enable it. Then click on Apply and OK. Then right-click Update and choose Run as Administrator. If Windows asks whether the program worked correctly, select No. Launch the troubleshoot and allow the automated diagnostics to detect and fix any issues. Lastly, if the solution didn't work out for you, completely delete Discord from your device. For that, launch Settings. Go to the option Apps. Go to Installed Apps. Now from the list of apps, find Discord. Or also you can search for it. Once it appears, click on three dots, click on Uninstall. Now launch your preferred browser, type in Discord download, head over to its official website. Click on Download for Windows and complete the download as well as installation process. By following these steps, your problem will be resolved. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.